Last week, equity markets confronted slow progress in the U.S.-Iran talks and continue to wrestle with a remarkable recent rally in AI-adjacent stocks. Not to mention, markets finished the week reacting to Friday morning's much better than expected employment data. This week, the focus shifts squarely to inflation. We'll get both consumer and producer price data on Wednesday and Thursday. Markets will be watching closely to see whether higher energy costs are working their way into non-energy categories like food and services more broadly. For what it's worth, the consensus expects consumer prices, excluding food and energy, to rise 2.9% year over year, up from 2.8% in the prior month and well above the Fed's 2% target, likely keeping the Fed on hold at their policy meeting next week. We're also in prime home buying season, so May existing home sales released on Tuesday will be worth watching. Affordability remains a major hindrance to first-time home buyers particularly, and home sales are expected to remain near the modest levels we have seen for years. We closed the week with the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment measure for June, which in its last reading was at historic lows. As we have often pointed out, there's a real disconnect between consumer sentiment and stock market returns. The market, especially in recent years, has traded on themes like artificial intelligence, where spending and revenue are not necessarily dependent on the consumer. So items to watch this week: 1. Inflation. 2. Home sales. 3. Consumer sentiment.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell specific investment strategy, any security, or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks referenced, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated are the entities through which First Citizens Wealth products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals, in all jurisdictions, or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender in First Citizens Delaware Trust Company. For more information about First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, its subsidiaries, and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.